Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Street Fighter Duel mod menu with unlimited diamonds and everything. So it's pretty wild, and as you can see I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. This fully works, guys. It's super cool. So basically we need to go to the zoo mods, and once we're on this site we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Street Fighter Duel. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type it in. So as you can see, guys, it says Street Fighter Duel mod, so just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try us out. And if we go to the search bar and type in Street Fighter Duel, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I don't pay for this game at all. So as you can see, it is super expensive, bro. If we go to the in-app purchases right here, as you can see. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go to Zoo Mods. You're going to be good. You're going to be all set, bro. So as you can see, look at that. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if this works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super cool, guys, and you can become a millionaire basically. So yeah, it's super insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. But yes, fully works. Super crazy, guys. As you can see, unlimited diamonds and all that. Awesome settings. So definitely go ahead and try us out, guys, if you're poor in the Street Fighter Duel. So yeah, this is super insane, guys, and it actually is like updated and everything like that. So you just have to go to the search bar and type in Street Fighter Duel. As you can see, it comes up. Press on that, wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, you're gonna have no problems downloading this. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later, but subscribe to the channel, guys. Peace out and enjoy.